Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to show you the basic C program that I have done in the previous class in the part week, right? That the basic Hello World program. So I am going to show you that how we can write the basic Hello World program in the code editor. That will be any code editor. Like I am using this VS Code code editor. That is basically a code editor. So for writing a code and for execute it in computer. Right, we have a code, we need a code editor. That is the VS Code I'm using here to write the code. Right. So here basically the program I'm going to write in the VS Code editor. So basically I am going to make a folder and I am going to make a file between the folder and in the folder in the files I am going to write the basic programming, basic C program. That is right. So I'm going to make a file. So I'm going to make a file, right? So writing the screen, there will be a new option, then I'm going to folder, right? So name the folder that is I'm going to do C programming, right? Then C programming, enter it. So just to open it, okay. So here the folder is empty, right? So basically just right click here or you can shift right click here. So there will be an option that is open with code. So I have downloaded the VS Code editor. So there is this option, the open with code. Simply click on it and that will be open in the VS Code. That is the basically the interface, right? Mm. So if you also face any problem in VS Code setup, then you can comment. I will definitely show it in a particular video, right? So here I'm going to make a file that is under the C programming folder. That is, so I am making the first file that is I am going to name it. So I'm going to name it code.c, right? So basically I enter it. So basically here the code.c is the extension of this file, right? I have made it in front of given screen. So basically dot txt that is also an extension of text file, right? And the mp3 is the extension of audio file or .mp4 is the extension of video file. Similarly, .c is the extension of C file that I am going to write .c here, and this .c extension is going to tell the compiler that I am going to write a C programming, right? So here I'm going to write the basic syntax of C programming as include write then stdio.h. I have explained that as include .stdio.h. This whole part is a preprocessor directive, okay, and here stdio.h means header file, stdio.h is header file, and as include means I am going to include this file in the C program. That is, then enter into main, right? Then parenthesis. Then I'm going to write parent curly braces, then enter. I'm going to return 0, right? Then a semicolon. Okay. So here enter it. That is the basic skeleton of the C program that I have already shown you in the previous class, right? So this is the basic skeleton of C program. You have to write this basic skeleton of C program in every C program, right? So here I am going to write the basic hello program, right? So I am going to simply write printf, printf, then this double quote, and here I am going to write hello world, right? So hello world I will write, and then I have to put a semicolon must. Okay, so basically why I have to put a semicolon. So I have shown you that the compiler is there in innerly, right? The compiler is there in innerly. Who is going to execute this C program in the computer language, that is the binary language, and that will be execute by computer. Okay, mainly. So this for this semicolon is going to tell the compiler that this line has ended here. Then I have to read this line. The compiler will follow this one, right? By this semicolon, the compiler will understand that this line is ended here. Then he will execute this line. Okay. And the execution of program will be finished when the curly braces is here, right? Curly braces has been closed, right? So basically, I am going to run this program. Okay, I have simply here the run for this program. Okay, the program will be run, and you can see that here the output hello world, right? So I have written this hello world program in C, right? So basically, this is the main hello world program, right? So basic hello world program. So save conversations. Basically, similarly, I have made here the print is and then parentheses then simple code and then I'm going to write congratulations, right? Congratulations. Then if we put semicolon is the valid syntax, okay, right? Then I am going to run this. So it's really hello world, then congratulations. I have written here. Okay. So basically whatever I am going to write in the middle of the code in this printf function, okay, printf is a function here. There's a built-in function in C. Okay, so I'm going to tell you brief in the function chapter, right? What is built-in function? We have to basically print the function, and whatever I am going to write in between this double quote in the printf function that will be executed exactly. There will be no change of my write. Okay, so I have written hello world. So hello world here. Okay, then I have written congratulations with this double exclamation marks. There is no change, right? There you can see there is also no gap in between hello world and context spaces, right? So if we want to make a gap, then I have simply can make a gap. Then I have one. Then you can see there is a gap, right? If you want to print these two lines, hello world and context spaces in different line, right? New line, then you can simply write backslash in, then you can run it, then see hello world and congratulations in different line, right? So basically that is the program, right? That is a program and that is the execution program. You can see hello world and congratulations in the new line in the first hello world is executed, then in the new line congratulations is executed. That is the basic C programming. I hope that you can understand this. If you don't understand, leave me comment in the comment section and I will be here for your doubt, right? So thank you for this video and thank you for seeing this video. तब तक के लिए see you, have a good day. Bye bye.